We have the following data. What we want to do is to identify the most purchased product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a formula, equal index, then select my product range, comma MODE.MULT, then select my product range, comma XMATCH. I will select my product range again, comma the product range, then close all the bracket and press enter. We can see that I have Flutter-wavey and indo-maybe. Those are the most purchased products for me. Why do I have these two most purchased products? It's because I have Flutter-wavey appear 3 times and my indo-maybe also appears 3 times. Let's say I change this indo-maybe to Flutter-wavey. We can see that I only have one most purchased product because Flutter-wavey now appears 4 times higher than the other. So if I change this to indo-maybe, I can see that my most purchased product is indo-maybe. What the formula does is look at the names, turn them to numbers, find the one that shows up most and bring back the name. So that's how to identify most purchased product. That's it for today.